This is the L812 electric two-sided grill. This is not just a grill. It's a masterpiece of design, precision, and convenience. It's where form meets function, and it's going to redefine your culinary experience. Let's dive into what makes the L812 so extraordinary, starting with the two upper platens. They close automatically to your desired gap setting with a touch of a button. Precision, food safety, and the promise of exquisite dishes every time you cook. The side-to-side release sheets allow for less hassle with surfaces during cleaning. The material protects the entire upper platen cooking surface. It makes cleaning easy. It keeps the installation and removal process away from hot surfaces. It's where culinary and clean unite. Ready to step into the future of culinary experience? The L812 electric two-sided grill is a kitchen powerhouse that's going to elevate your cooking game to the next level. It's the recipe for your culinary success. Visit taylor-company.com or call your distributor today to learn more about the extraordinary Taylor L812 electric two-sided grill. Taylor, good things start here.